Estimating salary TDS for multiple employees manually can be complex and time-consuming. With KDK Software, calculate and project TDS for all employees in one streamlined flow. Click on Salary TDS Calculator. Now click on Import Salary Mapping and download the Excel template. Enter all required details in the sheet, then upload the same file here. Based on the uploaded data, the system automatically calculates the estimated TDS. Click on the Month-wise button to view monthly TDS details employee-wise. Click back to return to the previous screen. Now click on View to open the income computation and download the report. It helps you simplify salary TDS estimation via bulk processing, accurate projections, and complete visibility in one place.